welcome back to another video. So today is kind of part 2 of the Modelones lipstick gel polish starter kit that I unboxed and reviewed and swatched the other day. I'm going to do a little design using these lipstick gels today. I'm just showing you that purple. It's a really dark purple, but it looks a bit black. My lighting wasn't clever. Anyway, I'm going to start by giving them all a base coat. These bottles are 10ml bottles. They're really big, decent sized bottles, and I actually really enjoyed using them today. So yeah, I will leave in my description box the link to the swatch video, because this little kit came with a mini lamp and a few other little goodies, so go and check that out if you want to see the rest of the kit. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick, easy, simple design using the gels today. So these stickers came with the kit. These are the ones that I ended up using, the gold ones. So I'm going to start with this colour, number 10. Gorgeous colour this. It's like a nude pink. It's a beautiful colour. So this would be your thumb. I end up putting this colour on the pinky as well. I wasn't sure at this point what I was doing. This was one of them sets that I kind of made up as I went along. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Look at that for one coat. It's so nice. It really is. This is the same formula as the ones in the wooden top bottles that Modelones do. It's really nice gel polish. So this is number 12. Again, this is a nude. It's like a really nice light beige kind of colour, ain't it? So that's going on this middle finger. I'm not going to cure this in the lamp either. I'm going to leave this gel polish wet, because I'm going to do a little bit of a marble on this one. So I'm putting some of this, number 9, just a little bit on my palette. Number 10 as well, that's the one that I've put on the thumb. Put a little bit of that on my palette as well. And the third colour that I'm going to use is number 8. This is the deep purple colour. And I'm just going to use like a bit of a liner, short liner brush. And I'm just going to do some swipes going through that wet gel polish. Really light touch. As I come to the end of the swipe, I kind of, yeah, because I want them thinner. It's hard to explain, but just really light touches. And all it does, putting it into that wet base gel, is it just helps it blend. And yeah, it just, I didn't want the edges of these lines to be so crisp and neat. Yeah, I was going for a marble look. It's a marble, right? It's a marble. So I'm going in with the paler one now. And I'm just going to go down the edges, kind of down each side of the darker lines that I did just. And with the deep purple, I'm going to use that to just do some really skinny mini thin lines going through that darker colour. And then once I'm happy with that, that's going to get put in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. And I'm going to do the exact same on what would be the pointer finger, but I'm just going to do it on the bottom half of the pointer finger. So I will let you watch this and I'll be back in a minute. Right, so that's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds now with the other one. So this is going to be the middle finger. This is going to have a full cover of this colour. Yeah, this was definitely a set that I made up as I went along. Do you know something? The sets that I make up as I go along are normally the sets that I like best. Right, that's them two out the lamp. They're cured. I really like them. I do. So I'm going to get the top half of this painted. And then that'll go in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, I'm just going to give this pinky a quick coat, same colour as I've done with the thumb. I end up burnishing some glitter into this later on in the video. How nice is that gel polish? I really enjoy using it. Look how opaque and pigmented that is for one coat. It's beautiful. Right, so this is the stickers I'm using. I'm just going to use some of these at the bottom. The pointer finger that's half marble, half pinkish. I'm going to separate them two colours by using this sticker. And then on this, what would be the ring finger, I'm going to do a couple of little strips going vertical down the nail. Different lengths as well. The next one that I do is going to be slightly shorter. Right, so this is the glitter I pulled out to go on the pinky. It's from Glitter Planet and it's completely clear, but it's super holographic. It's really hard. My camera doesn't pick it up, but I do show you later. The holo, it's absolutely beautiful. So I've not put any base coat or anything on this nail. I'm just sprinkling the glitter into the tacky layer. So that nail's being cured, and this is just the tacky layer that I'm sprinkling it into. So when I'm burnishing glitter, I just sprinkle it on and then I pat it in with my finger just to make sure the nail's completely covered. And then I'll just use my finger to brush off the excess glitter, and then I'll get a soft brush and just brush off all that excess glitter. Make sure you rub that glitter right in. Get it rubbed right in, and then anything that's left over, just brush it off. Wait and see this holo, guys. It is gorgeous. I'm going to get my camera to focus on this little glitter tray. The only way I can get my camera to pick stuff like this up is if it's out of focus. So I'm going to get my camera to focus on that little triangle tray. Watch this. And then look at the nail in the background. Can you see it now? Oh, look at that holo. How pretty is that? It is beautiful. Right, I'm going to use an old, you can use top coat or base coat. You don't want to use your good top coat or good base coat because you'll get glitter in it. So I can't remember if I used base coat or top coat. You can use any, but make sure you use an old one to encapsulate that glitter. I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we'll get these nails finished. Look at that holo. It's so pretty. Right, now we're using the good top coat. We're using the Modelones top coat. I'm going to put two little gems on the end of them gold strips that I put on the ring finger. I'm just going to stick them gems into the top coat. Get all these cured in the lamp for 30 seconds and that'll be them finished.
ever see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really like you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself just like you. I'd rather break my own thread. I can need to stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Yeah, I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you.
Right guys, that's them finished. I really like them. I do. I really like them. I will leave links in my description box, guys, to these lipstick gel polish starter kits. They're on Amazon. They're on Modelones website. And I'll leave the link to the video where I unboxed it so you can see everything you get with the kit. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.